Are you serious? Are you serious? This is a serious storm. Winter storm Jonas. It's going to, look out, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland. Right there, you can see it. This is where they're expecting between 2 and 3 feet of snow. Now, here's the information we're already receiving. The winter storm Jonas is kicking off this morning with an initial round of snow and ice and will turn into a major snowstorm by tomorrow into the weekend over the large swath of the East Coast. Heavy snow is expected to fall across parts of at least 15 states. Are you serious? Are you serious? Blizzard conditions possible over parts of Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, and even up there, folks, in New York City. Metro areas. The winter storm Jonas will also feature strong, possibly damaging winds, significant icing, and coastal flooding. And as of this morning, 73 million people, roughly 1 in every 4 Americans, will be covered by either a blizzard watch or a blizzard warning or winter storm watches or winter storm warnings. There will be freezing rain in southeast Nebraska to the Carolinas to New York City. This blizzard watch was posted for much of the New York metro area, and it continues to call for a major blizzard for Washington, D.C., and for the Baltimore, Maryland area. And you can see it's going to get ugly. There'll probably be at least 1 million people will lose power, is what they're estimating, in this incredible storm that is getting ready and is in the process of right now starting. So look out, all right? We're going to be praying for everybody out there. Try to stay off the roads if you can. I know people are going to be everywhere now stocking up today in preparation of what might take place Friday, Saturday, Sunday this weekend. So anyway, be very careful. Major storm, winter storm Jonas. We'll be in prayer. We are in prayer for all of our online church and all of our brothers and sisters in Christ. And as a matter of fact, everybody, we're praying for everybody in the path of this storm, all 73 million of you. Give your life to Jesus Christ. There's a storm coming. And I'm not even talking about this storm. There's a storm coming. Are you saved?